let you know that, oh my gosh, like, today is going so badly today, I'm just saying, because I was supposed to do my laundry today, but I can't because it is raining outside. Well, but yeah, it's like raining like no other, and it's freakishly cold outside. And yeah, Queenie's coming over, so I'm excited for her to come. But I have to clean up like this entire mess of stuff. Like, it's so weird. Like, it's rainy, but it's sunny, kind of. Look who's here now! Queenie drove down here today, and she's here now, back in her natural habitat. And so, yeah, tomorrow's gonna be epic. We're gonna eat a lot of food, so yeah, get ready for that. It is raining freakishly hard.